Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing an unboxing of a Chanel SLG. I just recently came back from vacation and we were in Greece, and I decided to take a look and see what Chanel had to offer there. They didn't have much selection, but I did find this wallet and decided to pick it up. So let me show you what I got. So of course it always has this cute packaging. The Chanel box, and on the bag there's the cute bow with the camellia flower. So inside, I already opened this, so I have this, all the information inside here with the tags and authenticity card and the care cards all in the box. So here we go. It's the Chanel dust bag, and this is the wallet. It's the classic small wallet in lambskin. It's black color and with the gold tone hardware, and I think it looks so beautiful. It's gonna match my Chanel Boy purse perfectly, with the same diamond shaped design. And in the back of the wallet there's the zipper where you put the coins. So let me just open it up to show you. Here's the Chanel logo inside. And the interior is a brown leather, and on the left side there's 3 card slots. Oh, I already see this little scratch here. On the inside there's 3 card slots for you to put cards there, and then 3 card slots on the right side for you to put cards there. And also on the top of the wallet for your bills, I have the top one here, and then down below. So yeah, that's the interior, and it just snaps shut like this, and it's so cute. I will link down below the exact wallet where you can find it on Chanel.com, and as well I'm going to do a second video which to look out for, talks about why I bought this in Greece instead of in the United States. There's a lot of savings to be had. So if you like videos like this, follow me on my channel, subscribe down below, or follow me on Instagram at Designer Hall. Thanks for watching. See you next time.